Where's the live button?
I'm live.
There's the live button. Hello, everybody.
Okay, chat.
Does this work?
Chat
Yes.
is chaired.
Chat.
It's not. Chat. What the hell's chat?
Chat is not. Chat is not.
Yeah,
Street,
it's
actually.
not. There we go.
There we go. Now it is. Do you have changes that I should steal?
Hmm?
Probably not.
I don't think so.
No, you
No.
don't. Okay.
Let me take a look at my outstanding changes. I don't think
That's
there's important things going on.
There probably isn't.
Oh, I was working on that enemy last time. That isn't like a huge
Yeah.
deal. That's not.
I need to make art for that. I forgot about that.
Yeah. That's okay. I wanted to make UI today, so I'm doing UI today.
Okay.
So what exactly?
Hello, Mooli. How are you doing? Twin.
Let me open up
Thank you for the follow.
assets.
Meow, meow, meow to you as well, Twin.
Dude, I'm so happy that you finally did this, and I can finally go into my Godot folder.
What did I do?
I was gonna explain it.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm not going to.
What?
Very happy I can go into my Godot folder and grab my Sprite. Also, send out your stream announcement and also share your screen on Discord.
I sent out my stream announcement.
Share your
I
screen
will
on
share my
Discord.
screen.
Very happy that I can open this
Twin.
up in Sprite and actually like view it without having to ask you to do things.
Yeah.
What in the fuck is your name? Is that a fucking AK-47? You freak. But you like spelled it out. You called it by its extended full government name.
That's crazy, Twin.
It's fire though. Hello. So
What was I working on last time?
you were doing UI stuff, I think, potentially. I'm not sure though.
No, I was working on the crystal.
The crystal. Oh yeah.
Putting Dante in the
So-
crystal.
For this thing, really quickly.
Mhm.
Um.
Yeah.
What is
I'll
the?
put you on screen?
Okay. So can you just walk me through how you want this to look on a like? Let's say you have your ultra wide fuck ass monitor, and all of a sudden the
It's
screen
exactly
is-
the same.
It's exactly the same. It doesn't scale. It
Yep.
just is in the center.
It doesn't scale.
Okay.
It doesn't
You want it to be
get
blacked
wide.
out behind it.
It's like it's like the Gungeon book where it's always the same size.
Okay. Well, I wouldn't know
That's
that
like part of
because I've
why I
never
wanted to
played
do the book
Gungeon.
is so that way.
I've never played Gungeon on anything other than a 1920 1080 monitor. So
Well, yeah, but I mean, it's like a set pixel art thing. I wouldn't expect it to scale.
yeah, probably not. I mean, maybe though.
I guess.
Certain
maybe,
things have like
maybe,
9
but-
patch recs and shit that can.
That's
grow.
like part of why I
I-
wanted to do this is that way you don't have to deal with scaling for UI
Yeah.
because I don't want to deal with that.
Fair enough.
I'll probably do the same for the Forge.
Yeah. So for this, is this going to be like, where's my fucking? I just drew something on a layer. They're named or something. So let's say, for example, oh, my brush is
Nice.
what? Okay, we're on a brush now. So let's say these are my current cards that I can see. If I want to go down and view the cards that are down here, which I guess this kind of answers my question. I was going to ask, do we want this to be like a smooth scroll, or do we want it to move in like steps?
Smooth scroll.
Smooth scroll. Okay, fair enough. And then
Hello, just a Jazzy Leaf. How are you?
I know
doing?
you mentioned
Twin.
this being different over here. Is that
Yeah.
going to be different? Or...
So that, as I said before, I think that the description should go there, and then there should be some way to view the stickers on the bottom. Because there'll be the stickers on the card.
I see. Because I kind of like this having the card here. And then being able to maybe click on the stickers or something.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but then you mentioned that it could be weird with a controller.
We could,
And also if there's overlapping stickers.
we could have this where it's like the card's description and the stickers here. I don't know.
Like tabs.
Yeah, I don't know.
Kind of want to be able to see all of them. I was thinking it would be like a list of all the stickers that are applied, like in like a grid.
Oh. I don't like that.
You don't like that? Okay.
No, I don't know why.
I think it being in steps might be better. My biggest thing is that whenever there's UI that's in steps, I always get lost because I'm like, wait, how
Yeah.
far did I scroll?
Yeah, being able to track your movement.
Because it like snaps around. Like being able to track the movement really helps.
I was thinking you'd rather be able to see my cards right away. I mean, as long as it's like a fast enough smooth and it's not like a really slow, like, you know,
Yeah, I
chugging
think we can
along
just
the
make
list.
it like smooth and fast. not
I
too
would
slow to be smooth.
also potentially have something maybe up here that's like a search that you can like type in a name of the card.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Just because, you know, that makes sense. Also, yes, this is Wooden Fortress, my fucking beloved. I love Cave Story. And then also this, is this just a catch-all, like whenever you click this, it changes the sorting, or is it going to be like you click this and it drops down a list?
I was thinking it'd be like a little drop-down menu.
Okay.
But whatever, I don't know what to do, but I don't know how to make UI, so.
Okay.
Just put it there.
Yeah, I'm just trying to like walk through all of this and figure it out before I start implementing it.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm already thinking about like how we want to break this down. Like this is obviously a container by itself. Which I guess would actually include the scroll.
Yeah, I tried to make it
wheel,
pretty clear what would things be.
I'm actually not. Oh no, I know how I can do that. Yeah, I got that. Potentially, probably. I guess this page would be kind of up to interpretation, and maybe. Do we want to reuse this book for different things? Like I know before you had a mock-up with like different tabs over here for like different.
Yes,
things.
I think we should have different tabs. I do like Gungeon, how the settings is not like in the book. I don't think the settings should be.
Yeah, I feel like if you're going to settings, you don't want it to be like a thematic thing. You're like, fuck it.
By the way, I can't hear you on the stream. Oh dear.
Really?
Wait, is my mic isn't going through on?
That's kind of impressive.
Stream. Nice.
I don't know how you did that, but that's kind of impressive.
Why is it doing that? Give me a minute here.
See, let me
I guess out of your properties, mic.
Turn off that drawing layer. Let's start exporting different parts.
What are you? There we go. There we go. Can you hear me now? I'm sorry. My bad. Hello. Hello, I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm here. I promise.
I don't think that's true.
Yeah, I just, for some reason, it reset the input on the mic, or in OBS. It was like, here, you're going to use no mic.
I see.
Wonderful. Okay, I am back.
Unfortunately.
I probably didn't say anything important, so don't worry about it.
Okay, so these are like the containers, so I don't need that. I mainly want the like book background. This one is also a book background, but it's white. Which
yeah, I'd do the tan. I think the tan looks better for right now.
I was thinking like I could put I'll just do the tan. I was like we could put this in the engine and we can modulate in the engine. No, we're just gonna use this.
No, we're not doing that.
No. So I just
okay. Well, I will let you deal with that. I'm gonna stop putting you on screen because that's just making me sit here and stare at it and not do anything. So I'm going to do one thing. Oh, what am I doing? Chat, what do I do? I can't just put video on screen.
What is the best way to export this? I wonder. What's the ratio of this? This doesn't look like 1920 1080.
I don't
this
know. It's
look
like randomly drew things.
Oh, I guess it says 16 by 9, but that feels wrong.
Also, bass Celeste music. Thank you. My playlist is kind of random, but it's fun. I think.
Let me just see.
I think it's fun.
Yeah, I guess it does scale to fit, kind of. Okay.
Oh yeah, for anybody that didn't see, we got where'd my card go? We killed it.
Well.
Did I not save it last time?
I think that's the case because I didn't do shit to it.
It's literally in the files. Why is it not?
I think maybe we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. I'm thinking about whether or not I want to export this as like
the beautiful black hole card,
the whole image, or if I want to export like parts of it. But I think I'll just make this the whole image, like the background.
Oh, also don't tell anyone, but I copied the black hole background from the UFO card.
Yeah, don't tell anybody. Don't tell them, dude.
You can't tell the difference, you know.
I'll just call this book menu.
We need to make these both like do something in game at some point, but I couldn't tell. Okay, good. Yeah, this one also has some like other things overlaid on top of it, like additional stars and things like that. So.
Okay, there's binder background.
So I think I'm thinking for the crystals. Do you think they should just like randomly spawn? Like, should they just have a chance to spawn at different points in a room?
As opposed to like specifically
like I don't. Yeah. I guess we could just have them in set places, so that way it's like this will always be here if you need it.
Yeah, I think set places makes a little bit more sense. Yeah.
It'll be pretty easy for setting it up in the editor too. Just be like, you spawn a couple of them, for instance, a couple of them, and then
could also be
put them where you want them.
The thing that you had mentioned with having like procedural elements inside of the levels, you could specify like this spot will have a prefab of something, and then whenever we generate the level, we pick from certain things, and then it could place down a mana crystal respawn thing, or like
I'm still not. I forgot about that idea. I'm not 100% sure about it, but
yeah. Other node, we'll start with a canvas there. We're gonna see
because there is something kind of nice about having like recognizable rooms. I feel like sometimes there's always that one dungeon room on floor 2 that's big and long and has the 2 laser guys in it, and then when you kill them, it spawns 2 of the frog things and 2 of the eyeballs.
Yeah, that one.
And I will never forget that room.
Yeah, no, real. Is this the same aspect ratio? I wish I could tell. I think it might be. Who knows? I guess we'll find out eventually. Source UI. I will... How do I want to prototype this? How would I... Let me write out my steps. That's, I think, the best decision for me to make right now. So, ideally what I want this to do is, where do I start? Because I want to make this good UI so that I don't have to come back and fix it later, but I mean, that's going to be change always, but, let's just start with this. So left side will be the card list. Right side will be the card information. Card list will be made up of a scrollable list of cards. Clicking slash, maybe we'll just say clicking. Oh, I'm thinking about controller as well. How do we want to move between the menus? Or move between the panels. So I'm assuming... Oh shit, there's something up there that shouldn't be. Okay.
By the way, the panels on there, or the tabs on there, are like old.
Yeah.
So don't worry.
Yeah, it wasn't supposed to be there. So I'm assuming that you would like click on something here, and then it would pop this over to here. If there were... Do we plan on having any sort of controls over here? The answer has to be yes, because of the scrollable description bar. Unless that's just like... If you're on controller, that's right stick, which we could do. That's not like the worst thing. But then that removes the right stick rotation on these.
Which... I might just open Gungeon and see what they do, because it's very, very similar.
Yeah, I mean, I believe it's usually right stick controls the this scrolling, but then that removes this rotation, which might be fine. I don't know. Also, do you have to click on the card? Why would you have to click on the card, actually?
No. Wait, what?
I'm thinking, would you want to be able to click on this card and then do something over here, or would it just be every time you hover, it just immediately sends it over to this panel? Probably the latter.
It would be when you click on, on controller, sorry.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I guess on mouse it's
on controller. So on mouse, if you click on it, it would switch which one is highlighted. Pretty much the same as Gungeon, where like it auto starts on the first one, so it's not like there's a like empty non-selected.
Yeah, I'm just thinking about that because I'm like, on controller it makes sense that you wouldn't have to press A, you know, because it would just auto be selected. But on mouse you can't just hover over this and move your cursor over, because you would drag over these cards. That's annoying. I don't like those being different behaviors, but I guess it makes sense. Okay, yeah, let's start with this then. I'll just put this under a folder called binder, and then we're gonna just start kind of prototyping this. Card binder, and we are off. So I want you to be aware of what? Looking at this, how I'm going to divide this up. This, ooh, that's not the right color. This would probably be one overall container that would take up most of the page, which would then be broken up into these different sections of information and things. So let's start with a, what would that be? Probably a, sorry, I'm looking at it right now. I could make it just a control and have it take a page. I could make it be the actual container. I could make it a panel container. I don't know why I would. What containers we got? We have margin containers. That's not the worst idea. Let's start there. And where would this go? Are you going to be the overall UI element? Ooh. Yeah, I might be thinking about this too much, but let's center this here and do, let's change this offset. I think that's fine, because this should also be full rect centered. Oh no, shit, that's bad. Right? Because if I change this so the anchors are out. Here, this stretches, which it shouldn't. This should remain the same aspect ratio. Hit width proportional and keep aspect centered. Yes. Yeah. Cool. Because I think that would be fine for move the window around and change sizes. Yeah, okay. Is this this is the kind of behavior we want to see, JW, I'm assuming?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Beautiful.
So let's start by defining this panel as the list panel? Mayhaps might be the right name for it, I don't know. I wonder if I could calculate this based on the actual image. Actually, it would be an ace rate, wouldn't it? Does ace might have a ruler, perchance? I don't think so. At least not the ruler that I'm looking for. Will you tell me what size you are? Not really. Oh yeah, it does. 315 or so. Okay, we'll try that. We'll see what happens. Or, no, I'm stupid. I can't do math. I can't think correctly. 264 by 181 is closest to like 256 and 196. No, 192. Is that the number I'm thinking of? Yeah. Okay, that like almost takes up a good amount of the area, which seems about right. Cool. Oh, and that's off center. Whatever. I can clean this up a little bit later. Okay. So I need you to now be a V-Box container, where you will take up the entire size of this container. And inside of this will be a... Look at the design again. Mostly a label, but I will make this an H-Box container for the sake of the fact that I'm sure this is going to have other things inside of it. Huh? Wait, where's the text? And why can't I see it? Oh, it's behind. Oh, I'm stupid. Oopsies. What color did you make this? Oh, okay, it's one of the, it's like the second lightest brown, or the second darkest brown.
Yeah, I use like a mixture of like the browns and golds.
Doesn't work well on
very similar
font that we currently have.
You can change the colors, that's okay.
Oh no, this is, never mind, it's the darkest one. I selected the wrong one because I'm stupid.
Yeah, many such cases, twin. Oopsies.
Oh, so I'm trying to just make it.
Guess you forgot to set their export variable.
I'm trying to make it as close to the designed thing that you have as possible.
Yeah.
Just so it's easier to work.
We can mess around with some fonts later. Don't worry about that one right now.
Yeah. Yeah. Why is this? Oh, okay.
And I am trying to think, because like I do kind of like how Gungeon has like all the item lists and like bestiary and stuff like that in the book. But I kind of want to have like NPCs for some of those. Maybe like cards and items can be in the book, but like creatures would be like an NPC.
Holy shit, dude, he's making a Terraria reference right now and he doesn't even know it.
What?
There's like...
What's Terraria?
Okay, never mind. What's Terraria?
I haven't heard of
Yeah, you need to play Terraria at some point, honestly.
Yeah.
Probably.
Just a warning for anybody on stream, I am about to do some live audio design, so
oh lord.
Be careful of your ears.
This is not rounded. Can I make this rounded? Anyone know about H separators? That's actually kind of surprising. I thought that I could make this rounded, but I guess not. Huh.
Some ice breaking sounds would be great for this. Thank you.
I know that's really weird. I thought I could. I don't care enough to fix it right now, though. That being said, This looks very wrong.
It's going to be really loud and annoying sound. It's kind of quiet, actually.
Okay, and this doesn't happen to be its own image, does it?
Oh, that's bad. Ooh, I like that sound. Start with that one as a base. I like that one too.
Trying to figure out what, like, size you drew a font in is always really interesting. Or not a font, sorry. I don't know why I said font. Wrong word. Trying to figure out what size you drew a sprite in is always an interesting little, like, thing of, trying to figure it out. Oh, actually... I probably want this to be snug against the thing.
Why does this sound like a Lego block breaking sound?
You ate too much chocolate, now your tummy hurts. What should you do? Go 4+2, I think.
Wait. Biddy,
Yeah,
listen to the sound and tell me it doesn't sound like the Lego death sound.
2 seconds. Let me see this. Okay. Let me turn your stream on. Alright, what's up? It does, dude.
Okay. Back to my music. Very funny.
Let's add a texture erect. The sort button. And your size is going to be...
Oh, that's about to be really loud. Let me turn it down.
What in the fucking world? I thought that you were...
That sound like so fleshy. I don't like that.
Oh, this isn't set to expand. Okay, there we go. So now that's over on the right.
It's this guy here. Let's shorten you.
So now that's off center.
We need some like...
Is that off center in your design by chance? Oh, I guess it's kind of hard to tell where the center is because it's like a book that has like margins on the side. Is it like roughly center? It's like roughly center. And how roughly center is this? Not even remotely. Okay, sick. How do I make that not affect the size of this? I guess I could tell this like shrink center, although then that won't. Man. Do we have? We don't have like padding things, do we? We don't have like a. We have like placeholder or like. Right? What the fuck do we have?
What are you looking for?
Like a thing. Oh, is it reference rect? I think. Is this one that doesn't show up in the actual game? Or is this one that does? I just want to make something that fills in the space so that I can have things centered. But I don't know if this will do it. It definitely doesn't because I'm stupid. Is that the same? That's the same. Wait, no, now I actually feel really stupid. What the hell? Can I not just have this, So this thing goes to the center and this one goes to the right. I guess I can just make this a flow container potentially. Mrrp. That's not gonna be it. Whatever. Whatever. I'm not gonna get hung up on that.
That file wrong.
You're going back to be an HBox container, but I'm not gonna get hung up on it because that's gonna. I'm gonna sit there and think about it for a year. Okay, and then the actual important one is going to be a scroll container that contains all of the cards. How does this get set up in a way that isn't absolute hell? I do like this thing you've got going on here with the separation between the card area and the scroll. That is...
Definitely didn't steal that from Gungeon.
Yeah, it's a slight bit annoying to think about. That's okay. That's mainly a me issue. Okay, so I could do a panel. Do I want it to be a panel? I could just make it a control, like a regular ass control, right? You're just a regular ass control that takes up as much space as you can, and then you have a panel inside of you that also takes up a full rectangle. No. Maybe. Doesn't have like a style on it, does it? Maybe it does. It does. You take up the entire thing. You are style box empty, so there's nothing there. I want you to show the scroll bar always for now. Okay, where is that? Always show. Oh, cool. Oh, wrong one. Oops. Always show. And then we need to change the scroll bar to not be this scroll bar at some point. Hello, Benny VV. Yeah, that looks good. The design looks good for this. I'm just trying to turn it into an actual thing, which is... I'm probably overthinking a lot of things, but I'm like, I want to get this right so that I don't have to come back through and make it again.
Make sure to put them all on like sub viewports or whatever, so we can stretch them and turn the pages.
Shut up.
Although I imagine if we were to do that, we would do that. Like we would dynamically move it onto like a sub viewport. I don't know how that works.
Yeah, we probably.
But I imagine we wouldn't have them all like by default on that. They would just be like a page sub viewport that it would get moved onto, and then messed with from there.
I kind of hate page separators sometimes. I don't know why it's closer to the bottom and not the top. That's so fucking weird to me. Whatever. I guess that fixes it.
The age separator isn't rounded.
Yeah, I know.
That's okay.
Yeah, it is.
I'm just
yeah. That's fine. Yeah, I will probably fix that at some point, hopefully. Oh, that's really annoying, actually.
Is it?
Yeah, the scroll bar being out here is really annoying now that I realize that it doesn't line up with the buttons. So the buttons are over to the side and the scroll wheel's off to the side as well. Okay, so I need to...
Yeah, so the thing that I was doing to test that, or to figure out where I wanted the scroll wheel to be, is everything's like fairly centered, and then the scroll wheel is like farther off to the right than being centered. If that makes sense.
Somewhat. Kinda, not really. That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. wait, is it? Hold on. Oh, my brain is like working so overtime for this one. So I want all of these to be, overall, this is a VBox container. Terrific. I will want to be able to control this margin here with one option, which would make the most sense for this to be an HBox container from here to here, which contains all of these elements. Is it a VBox container that contains a HBox container that contains a VBox container? Might be. I hope not, but it might be. And I have you have that, and then inside of this there will be a control. Unless, wait, there's no way to do margin in this, is there? Oh wait, no, sorry, that's stupid. I don't need this to be a control. I don't need this to be an HBox container. I just need this to be a margin container again, and then I can tell it to margin right by like 16 pixels, 64 pixels, 48 pixels. 48 pixels seems about right. Yeah. That's fine enough for now. And then inside this HFlow is where we'll have all of our cards, which I think I have a card. I can use card composite for this, right? Just like have a preview. Nope. Kinda. Oh no, you're a control. Never mind, I lied. There we go.
Need some more bass in this sound. You need to be a little louder.
Actually, that spacing is way too high. Maybe like a 32 or something. That looks about more right. I guess 24 it is. It'll be fine, surely. Hi, Callie. Okay, sorry. I have a cat in my lap now, again. Creature. Question, GW.
Uh-oh.
What do you want the behavior to be if there's only one card? Ideally, there shouldn't be, but let's say there's only one card. Does it just go to the center?
There's only one card.
Yep. Does it just go to the center right here, or?
I would think it would just go on the top left, since
left?
everything's going to go from top left to bottom right.
Okay. And then that really that doesn't suck. I'm just thinking about this. I'm like, I want this padding to stay the same, and I don't know if there's a way to make it so that the padding between these is just like consistently the same. Like if I make this like let's say I killed these cards. Yeah, now the spacing gets really fucked up and evil, which is a problem. Because I don't want that. Okay, I guess then what I'll do is I'll just say fuck you. Do this, and then I'll just set up their padding so that they line up correctly. Yeah, that seems about right for now. And I also need this. I can't set a style notes, can I? No. That's okay. Oh, container. Actually, before that, do you have a style? You don't. Okay, sick. So you will now be a panel container, which has this HFlow container and is set to completely expand, and then your style is going to be annoying. Actually, no, that's not going to be annoying. That'll be fine. Is this a different color? This is. These are different colors, aren't they? Unless I'm going insane, which I might be. Yes, this is a different color than this. Yeah, cool. Is it because of this having a texture that's weird? JW, do you know do we have a pure white version of this texture?
Which texture?
This one, the...
no, we don't.
We don't. Fuck. That's annoying, but fine enough. I'll just like toss into Ace Bright and I'll do it myself then.
Yeah, it's pretty simple, twin. Cause yeah, I made that before I knew how to do UI at all, so.
Yeah. Okay, let's save this as inventory panel full white. I hope that saved as PNG. Tell me, what's the purpose of showing me the thing if it's not? Yeah, okay. Cool. Inventory panel full white. Yes. Okay, those are definitely the same color, but I'm gonna make sure. Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Not that
cool.
These are actually the same color in the designs. Oh, they are. Actually, I lied. And that color is the same as in the game. Okay, sick. This should also reach all the way down. Yes. Oh, actually, I might see an issue here. In the near future, I do. Oh, that's annoying as fuck. But not a huge deal. Just a little annoying as fuck.
Hello, Rise Back or Respec or whatever you said it was last time that I forgot. How are you doing?
Evil.
Yeah, I know I'm evil. I'm thinking, how much effort do I put into making this look nice? I feel like I should make the crystals different. I always join in when you already stream for around 40 minutes. It's okay, we usually don't get anything done until like an hour in.
That's sometimes true, yeah.
I feel like I should make the outside crystals like separate pieces and make them kind of float around. Trying to think of the best way to do that, because I also kind of, when that's floating, I kind of want it to like move in the direction that you hit it.
Yeah.
But like kind of slightly. I'm trying to think how I could do that. I think I have an idea of how I could do that. We could have it. Yeah, I'm thinking.
Yeah, he's thinking.
I'm the thinker.
Where's the tinkler?
Maybe thinking and stuff.
Why is this card so close to the right side? Why? Oh, the shadows are gonna be annoying. Fuck, the shadows are gonna be annoying. They're also really close to the edge, and they're not supposed to be.
Oh, so eepy sleepy.
They're so Sleeberton.
I know I had to work today. It was so bad.
Wow.
I had to close.
Fuck.
I had to
Evil
clean.
mode.
I know, right?
Okay, I think the shadows are still gonna be a problem, but whatever.
When are you gonna start making Dante 9 devlogs on your YouTube channel?
I don't know, man.
You two are very skilled. You should both make more Godot tutorials. It would really help out beginners and everyone. Both of us.
Both of us?
Who thinks I know how to make tutorials?
Hey guys, here's
How to
be a
drink
gay
Dr.
furry.
Pepper. What?
Yup, there. There's your tutorial, man. I got it for you. I figured it out. Okay, does this work? This is gonna maybe crash. Maybe it won't crash, but I think it will. Oh shit, it doesn't. Cool.
Well, look at that.
Yeah. Minus.
Instead of Dante 9 deck reference.
Kinda. This scroll bar's pissing me off, and I don't really know what to do about it. I'll be real with you.
It looks like it's working.
No, but I don't know how to change the style of it is the problem.
Uh-oh.
It's not here. That's scroll hint. That's different. Can I
mean, it has a style, so you have to be able to change it somehow.
Yeah, I know I can do it through the theme. I just didn't know if there was a different way for me to do that.
Oh, there's no, like, override for it?
No, because the element's not here. It's like a child of the scroll container, which is like hidden away and tucked away. Which is fine.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't either. I'm not sure if there's a better way to change it.
Thank you, Nightbot, for telling everybody to wishlist Dante's 9 on Steam.
Whoa.
Wait, I just realized I think Nightbot is dead on Twitch. Let me go see if I can revive him.
What the hell is that? Oh, cool. Yeah, because this has this. I'm like really perplexed by this one. Let me set up a scroll bar really quickly and we're gonna see what this looks like. How can I change this? What's the style gonna be? Also, why does this... Is this how this is supposed to look? It's like hella close to the side and I don't know why.
What is?
The, scroll bar. Oh.
It's close to what side? Wait,
hold on. If I set this to be a color, and I just style box flat, if I change this, does this... No, okay. That's fine. I'm still okay with that.
Okay, that's fine.
No, the... hold on. I need to do some evil shit. And by evil shit, I mean probably still actually just evil shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's not do that. We'll leave this there. Yeah, no, you can see this. The scroll bar is like very close. Like it's getting cut off, and I don't know why. Which is really weird. I feel like it shouldn't be. Right? Am I like not going insane here that the scroll bar is like cut off here? Is it because clip contents is on? I guess.
Oh yeah, it is. It is cut off.
Yeah, that's weird.
If that's what you're asking me, yes, it definitely is cut off.
Yeah, I don't know why clip contents being on or off changes it. I feel like it should reserve the size of the scroll bar, but I guess not.
Well, it doesn't appear to. I mean, can you just make like the container larger or whatever?
No, because it's the size
So
of it's always like just outside the scroll bar or the scroll container size. I don't know why.
That doesn't seem right.
Yeah. What the hell are you? Oh, you. Scroll. What do you have this looking like over here? Is this gonna be like the new design that we want to use for the scroll bar, like globally? Or is
No,
this...
that one's pretty temporary. Like I did that really fast. I mean, we can do that for now. But that one was supposed to be just like quick and fast. Like I didn't make it nice or anything.
I see.
I did not put like any effort into it.
I wonder.
So that about doing like a fancy one like Gungeon has, but I just didn't.
Yeah, I'll make this easy to edit later. Just like tossing. Oh, thank you, Ace Bright. I definitely didn't say copy this one specific thing, and then you didn't do that.
Imagine if Windows 11 didn't suck.
True. Unfortunately, we are not in that timeline. Is this what the scroll bar would look like? I think so. Hi, Callie. Good morning. Oh, we're sitting up. Apparently, I'm no longer comfortable. Scrollbar.png. I guess, actually, no. Specifically, this is actually called a scrubber. So I will use the correct term. Because the scroll bar is the thing behind it. Alright, the grabber, whatever. It's called a scrubber in my mind, so I don't care.
Alright, Twin. Yeah, sure.
No files found for this type? Oh, yeah.
Whatever you say, Twin.
Yeah. Dude, that preview is really funny. They're so stretched with it. Why did
it look like that?
Alright, where is the texture? What? So this is set up so that I have margins of 3 on each side. Yeah, comes right to me. 3, 3, 3, 3. Helly. What the helly, dude?
What the helly? What the helly berry?
Wait, what? Am I thinking about this wrong? Let me just, how about this? Give me the old Stylebox texture. I'm gonna make this motherfucker unique, and then I'm just gonna replace the texture with anything else. What's going on here, dude? Sub-region? What are you talking about? Ah, fuck. I forgot this has to be exported in 3 times size. File, export. 3 times size. Over this thing. You cannot export with the same name. Get the fuck over it, dude. Oh my lord. Okay, well, I guess it's called Grabber now. Why are you so ugly? Why are you so fucked up? This will be 9. And then I don't know why these are a thing at all, but I guess they are. Why were these set to 4 before? Fuck, dude. What are you looking at this?
Window. Yes.
Dude, I don't know what the fuck. Okay, this needs to be... We want this to be too wide across? Okay, sure, dude. Whatever the fuck you say. Dude, UI pisses me off just a little bit sometimes. Now it's 3 wide across.
Yeah, I do kind of hate UI.
I think it might be because of the size, perhaps. Let me... Oh, I really don't want to do this, but I guess I'll load in the inventory theme and then make it unique, I think. And then do this thing, because I want to see what this would look like on an actual scroll container. Wow. Kinda terrible. Not the worst thing in the world, but it's kinda terrible. So I don't know why it's up there. Whatever. Alright, let's figure this out. So, texture margins is where it repeats. That's fine. That's chill. Nothing wrong with that. With that there. Although... setting this to 3. What did it do? Something wrong. That's okay. What if I just like played Mugenics instead of working on this? That'd be sick, right?
That'd be
so
crazy,
cool.
Twin. Don't do that.
Okay, why not?
It's only 7:30.
It's what? It's only 7:30? No, dude, I was hoping that it was like at least like way later than that. I was hoping it was sometime in the game.
You wanna play Counter-Strike after your stream? You wanna play a game of Counter-Strike on stream before we end stream?
Not at all, actually. Thanks for the attempt. But no.
Does anybody wanna like co-host the stream instead of Biddy and play Counter-Strike with me?
I don't want to do that.
I said instead of you, Twin.
You said who wants to co-host the stream?
Yep, you're getting replaced.
Ah, okay. I'm okay with that. That's fine.
No, not like that.
Oh, he's like, no, dude, no. You're not supposed to like want to get off the team. You're supposed to want to be stuck here forever, working on this fuck-ass evil game.
Yup.
Why is this such a weird size? What's the... Wait, is the UI 4 times or is it 3 times? Am I smoking crack or am I smoking cocaine?
It depends on which UI.
What do you mean? What do you mean it depends on which UI?
I don't know.
Why? Okay, I guess it's 4 times.
Look nicer.
Okay, I guess I'm...
wait.
I'm
Yeah.
exporting this 4 times, and we're going to hope this works.
Maybe.
Yes.
I'm gonna call Nintendo to copyright strike the stream.
No, dude.
Don't worry, it did already.
It's because I'm playing Super Mario Galaxy music on my playlist. I thought I got rid of that song, I'll be honest, but then no, that's on my Linux side, I think. Gusty Garden Galaxy is kind of fire, but I can't help but think of like any like fucked up Super Mario Maker level whenever I hear this song. They always put like some troll, and then whenever you hit the troll, they play this song. What does the background of the scrubber look like in the UI? Is it just a... Oh, nice. Oh, that's so easy. That's like so easy. How do I do this? Which one are you? Where did you go? I'm back. Copy. Scroll. We will paste as unique. Sure, just the texture. And then I want you to use the full white inventory panel. Oh, wait, you didn't paste that as unique as I thought you would. What the fuck? Wait, no, you are unique. You're just like evil. What the hell? That's why the fucking thing is so fucked up, is because of the background scroll bar? What? What? So this is times 4, right? So I can do like 12, 12, 12, 12? Or not? What is this doing? JW, do you know what this is doing? Any ideas? Any clues?
Wait, what's doing?
I don't know. It's really wide
okay.
now. What does this do? Because this makes the
you made it wider.
bar longer, which I don't want. Is that what this looks like in the design? Please tell me it's a yes. Fuck, you bastard. You made it slightly less rounded.
I did.
That's evil. Oh my god. Wait, have you... Okay, this is the most random thing ever, and I'm gonna be, like, hella surprised if you know what I'm talking about. Have you ever seen the video of the person saying, oh my god, I can't believe all of these Apple products fit together, and they're, like, lining up their iPhone and their MacBook.
yes,
and,
I've seen
and
that
none
one.
of them line up.
What you're talking about.
And, like, none of them line up. They're like, dude, Apple just makes things fit perfectly, and then they do it, and just every, like, the new one that they bring on screen is just, like, a different size than the other one. And, like, the second you look at it at all, you're like, no, dude, that doesn't work. What are you talking about? I hate Apple fans.
Oh, hey, that actually works. I'm surprised that worked first try. I mean, I think it could maybe use a little bit of work, but, Biddy, look, we have little impacts when you hit the crystal.
Give me a second. I'm trying to figure out why this is, like, hurting me so much.
Bury
me. Sorry. I'm thinking about Northern Line again.
Real.
Many such cases.
Me every day.
Yeah, okay, buddy. Where's the...
I need to catch up on my Counter-Strike videos. I haven't watched the last couple.
What color is this? This isn't in the palette. This isn't in the palette, JW. This isn't in the palette.
Oh yeah, it's halfway between two of the colors.
Why? Which colors?
Because sometimes you need more colors than it allows for.
Is it these two colors that it's in between?
No.
Really?
I'm pretty sure, or maybe it is. It might be halfway between it's probably halfway between the two colors that are in between that color, or that are like
what?
Like use your brain.
Yeah. Okay. So here's this color
like
right
there's
here.
a light
See
color.
This one? This color?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. There's that one, and then there's the one to the right.
There's the one to the right.
Right.
That's lighter.
Or to the left. Well, no. I meant on the screen, but in the palette, it's to the left. It's in between those two.
Okay,
probably,
you said to the right. To the right where?
On the art, like
on the right is the color that's not in the palette.
No. I meant like farther to the right.
This one that's
like
also
that
not in the
one,
palette.
I thought that one was in the palette. I think you're going insane. Let me look.
What are you talking about? This is the same Sprite fucking file. This is the same Sprite file, you motherfucker. Okay, well, I'm just gonna fucking put this as the arbitrary color for this fucking scroll wheel, I guess. Because we can't stick to a fucking palette. He's like, I know better than Apollo.
This is true. I mean, I can literally figure out which one the mix is. We set this to 50.
I can figure out which one the mix is. Yeah, dude, go mix your fucking acrylics on the fucking, in the Sprite palette.
I'm doing twin, okay.
Callie, I'm sorry. I'm gonna throw Callie in the oven because of this. That's what you get.
What?
That's what you get. I'm cooking my cat in the oven at 350 for 16
Oh wait,
minutes.
they're the same color. I might be like incredibly stupid.
Oh yeah, these colors
and
that are.
It is a mix between the two colors.
Yeah.
The one color and the darker color.
These ones that I was talking about.
It's mixed between those two. Yes, it's 50% between those two.
Wow. Okay, yeah, I'll just do that in the modulate, or I could just go
90% of the time that there's a color that looks like it's in between two colors, it's because I mixed the two colors because I wanted a little bit more color.
Dude, this motherfucker's making acrylics in A Sprite. It's kind of crazy. Okay.
Don't tell Biddy this, but I really hate that Vaporeon. Okay, I won't tell him.
That's crazy. Don't tell Moaz this, but wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Yeah.
Chat, should we behead JW? Yes or no? Vote now on your devices.
No. Bro, I think this is Jackbox.
No, we're playing Kahoot. Boom.
We're playing Kahoot.
Wait, I should put the Kahoot soundtrack in my fucking stream playlist. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Wait a second. This might be fire. Do you think KH Insider has fucking Kahoot soundtrack on it? Oh my god, it does.
That's evil.
I don't know what any of these players who also viewed this also viewed. Card Mrrp 2006? What the fuck? What else is in here? What the fuck is this? This is not a Kahoot that I grew up on. What the hell? Hold on, we're pausing the music. I'm going through this. What is this? Okay, I know that one. I thought it was just a remix. I didn't know that was like official Kahoot. What is this fucking like? What is this Final Fantasy like boss music I'm hearing right now? It's got a fucking choir in the background.
Oh, wait a second, Biddy.
Yeah, it's good.
When you did the tracer spawn fix, you broke the op.
What?
It's slightly lower on this side. Oh, I got it. I'm pretty sure it's because I did another fix for it. Or I think I've added it as a child of the sprite, so it does flip, and then you made it flip again, so that way it canceled out the flip.
Oh, sick. Okay, so I fixed things, and it broke your Band-Aid solution. Gotcha.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
What do you mean no? That's literally what you just described in words right now.
That's not what
in
happened.
writing. In writing.
Not what happened.
JW, what do I call this fucking panel that isn't as round as the other panel, but is like... Dude, I hate this shit. I hate working with artists. Sorry, I'm gonna just like get angry for a minute.
I'd call it like rounded, like less rounded square panel.
Oh, less rounded square panel. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, no, that makes sense. Yeah, less rounded square panel, got it.
I thought so too, Twin, so I'm glad we're on the same page.
Yeah, no, same page. Same page, same game, same... Yeah. Same everything. Okay, let's save this as... I don't even know, man. I'm putting this in the fucking binder scroll. Yeah. You guys know that the song is in 12/8? I think that's really cool.
12/8, more like 6/7.
That's not a time signature. You can't do that. That's not a thing.
Yeah, I can do that if I want to do that.
Okay, and you're gonna have to present your argument to God whenever he judges you at the fucking... Well, he wouldn't be judging you at the pearly gates. That's like St. Pete's job or whatever the fuck. Is it St. Pete? Is that the one? You should know those.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Yeah, probably.
I think so.
This motherfucker does not pay attention in church. Why is there a Boy Kisser PNG? Sometimes we need to have placeholder assets And if I don't make it a boy kisser PNG, JW will not remember to change it. But whenever he opens it up, he sees the boy kisser and he has to change it or else he'll get distracted. So it's just like a way to make sure that art gets done. Oh, dude, I'm gonna like,
yeah, sure.
I'm gonna get pissed. I'm gonna get pissed in a second, I think. 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 actual pixels, which means that this needs to be 16. Oh shit, is this lined up? There's no fucking shot. Oh my god, it's almost, well, it's like basically lined up. Not really. It needs to be 16. That's fucking annoying. Whatever. Yeah, that's right. I'm making this perfect. This is only... Okay. I can move it more to the right then. Methinks. Too far, right? I think it is. Yes. So before we were 8, now we are 24. I need to be somewhere in the middle, which would be +8 for me. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that, dude. That's like... Ah, shit. What? Huh? What? Maybe my autism is being weaponized against myself. I think that might be the case.
Yeah, I think that might be the case.
Case? Like Counter-Strike? Like Counter-Strike cases?
Wait a second.
You should spend your life savings on Counter-Strike cases. Surely you'll hit big.
Wait, guys. He's got an idea.
I was wrong to leave this at 60, but that's like technically correct. Right? Yeah. Cool. I'm putting way too much thought and effort into making this. Like every step of the way. I'm out here with the fucking ruler tool measuring things.
Yep.
Yeah. Can you tell that my Adderall has kicked in?
No.
Okay.
No, I can't actually. I'm sorry.
Oh, look what you did, JW. Callie's standing up now.
What? What did I do?
She can't even nap peacefully because of you. Why is there such a margin on this? Where is that? Is it this? Where? Oh no, it's this. It's you. You're the problem. Also, why are you position based? Why are you not? What are you doing? You should be anchors based, you dumbass. What the hell? Fun fact, did you know the crosshair in Minecraft is off-centered by 1 pixel in both X and Y axis? That's insane. But I think I did know that at one time. Did you know that the cursor that you see on your screen is a font file? Let me fact check this before I lie to the people. I'm pretty sure that's the truth. Is your cursor a font file? Wait, hold on. What? Something is stored as font file. Spinning wheel Windows font file. Is it that?
Rose lied to you.
Hold on. No. The loading thing. Whenever you have like a spinner. That is a font file or something? Something like that? Now I feel like an idiot. What am I talking about? Isn't it?
Oh wait, I'm dumb. Indentation. Mild indentation error.
The spinning circle when you open up Windows is a font.
Hello?
Hi.
Like the dots?
Yeah, those dots that like grow and disappear and like come back. Those are a font. That's what it is.
That's kind of evil.
So even more evil than like your cursor being a font. Because at least the cursor would make some sense because I don't know. Are you 16? Okay, so that's correct. Which means that you now need to be changed your size. Why are you off the grid? Stop being off the grid. Thank you. Hooray! Okay, everything is grid aligned now. I'm so happy. Alright, what does this look like? Is this going to be terrible? I know it's going to be terrible whenever I actually use it, but... Oh, I forgot to clip the children. Oopsies. Reporting the channel for spreading misinformation. No, I corrected the misinformation. No, don't report me. Don't report me, dude. Don't. Dude, stop. I'm gonna spread real information. JW is a furry. There you go.
What?
Yerp.
Oh.
This is true. Don't I have a smooth. Don't we have like a scroll container that like works better? We do. It's just called scroll container. Cool. Sick. I don't remember why this works better, but allegedly it does. Very cool. I wish that went correct. I thought this had like a smoothing on it. Am I like going insane for that? Oh, this is for unfocused changed. I thought that what? Scroll between. Oh, I guess that's only for controller. Huh. Okay, I guess it doesn't. Whatever. Who cares? I do actually. I don't. Are you in the middle of anything? Do you know what you kind of are? Are you flipping the sprite whenever you hit it?
No.
Yeah, you are.
It's just rotating a little bit.
But you're not? Oh, it feels like it.
No.
Let it settle. Oh, you're like you're changing where it rotates around.
Yeah.
Ah. I see.
Trying to think, how could I make it if I hit it like on the bottom half? It like swings like under rather than like over. Probably do something like the direction you hit it from.
Do we not have a smooth scroll bar in the game? I thought this was smooth. No, this isn't. Damn. Evil. Okay. So let's... This is the issue. Oh, no, it doesn't. What do we want the style to look like whenever you hover over and grab this?
Whenever you, when you hover over and grab that. Like, I don't think it should like change.
You don't think it should change at all?
No, it shouldn't like outline or anything. Like when's the last time you used a scroll bar that like outlined when you clicked on it? Oh yeah, I guess that one.
Like any scroll bar ever? What are you talking about?
I feel like they don't. Maybe I'm going insane. I guess maybe a lot of them just like.
What is a safe website for me to open
up like that? Especially like in games though. Like I'm thinking like the Gungeon one, like that one doesn't change.
Oh, it's Flamestone. Okay, here we go. So I'm on. Here's this one.
Is that Quibble?
Yeah, that's Quibble. Like this one.
Yeah, I mean like.
You know, every scroll bar that's ever existed also doesn't.
I guess you could just change the modulate a little bit.
I guess this one doesn't, but you know, because usually it's like it shows you it's interactable.
Yeah.
Do you think it should become lighter or darker?
Should become lighter or darker. I think that's I can't tell you that. I don't know. Lighter.
Problem is, I don't know if I can make it go lighter. Maybe I can. But... Oh, I can. Cool.
Yeah, I guess that works. I don't know. I feel like it shouldn't change at all, but that's okay.
6-7, 6-7. Sorry. 0.67 is going to be the amount that goes up by. Yeah, that works. I like that. Evil mode. Oops, I accidentally hit my Wacom tablet. My fault.
There we go, now it works better. Now you can properly smack the crystal.
Why is the shadow effect behind the cards non-existent? 'Cause I haven't implemented it yet for this specific one. It's because for undiscovered cards the shadow isn't there, but for the discovered cards it is. Although they're not as offset as they should be by default, I think.
That's very satisfying.
There we go. That works. I'm happy with that. I like that more, because then there's the hover state lightens it up, clicking it makes it dark, and then letting go makes it go back to regular. Which makes sense to me. Cool. There's... I don't know why that's not reaching the bottom of the thing. Cool. Can I just change that in here, perhaps?
Cool.
Can I tell you to go all the way to the bottom, please, buddy? Scroll bar. Vertical. All the way down.
There we go. That's actually perfect. That's actually so satisfying with that.
What is?
I accidentally made a very good rotation. So if you hit it on the bottom, it'll rotate like inwards, and if you hit it on the top, it'll rotate like the other direction. And then if you hit it in the middle, it'll just push back.
Are you just like checking
So
to
it'll
the
rate.
center of the position?
So what I'm doing is I'm setting the rotation equal to the x kind of velocity. It's not velocity because it's just like moving the position, but basically the x velocity times the normalized y velocity. So if it's going up at all, it'll be multiplied by like 1, and then if it's going down, it'll be multiplied by -1, which will change the rotation back and forth. And then the closer you get to the center, the closer it gets to 0, which means the rotation doesn't change if it's in the center. Like the rotation will be essentially 0 in the center, and then the farther out you get, the higher the y value, which means the higher the rotation value will be. If that makes any sense whatsoever.
A little bit.
Now I just want to figure out, I want to make the little crystals kind of lag behind the big one, or like not move as much.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think of how to do that.
Well, they need to be separated for sure.
They're already separated.
Oh, they are? Oh, okay. You could just have them like
Yeah, I'm just trying to think, 'cause, like
lerp to the position that they need to be at. Like.
Oh, that's a good idea. So like store like a. So I could have markers for where they're supposed to be, and then have them be like top level, and then lerp them to that position.
You could do that, or let me think. Actually, I want to say that there's a.
I can't think of a better way to do that, but. I'll just do that because it'll work.
Yeah.
It doesn't need to be fancy. It needs to work.
I thought there would be a quicker way to do it, but then I thought about it more. And I'm like, I don't know if there's. Not really. Callie, why are we getting upset? You have chosen to sit in my lap, knowing full damn well that I'm going to be talking. You cannot get upset for me existing. Oh, sorry, there was a blocked message. It just says viewers. They went back to just viewers.
Just viewers is great.
Oh, hi, Callie. Yeah, she says meow, meow, meow. But in like a meow that I can't replicate because she's so unique and such a cool cat.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
shit,
cool.
dude. She's looking up. Like, she's like, there's no way you called me a cool cat. Holy shit, dude. She actually just like... she went to fucking correct that hella fast. Okay, so... let's say... I can now start actually making the UI. Yay! What do you mean detached script? There isn't even a script. Card binder. Ready? Or... is this gonna be a menu? How are we doing this? What's the usability of this gonna look like? GW.
I was thinking it'd be like Gungeon, where like it's not like the pause menu, it's like separate.
Okay.
Or maybe we could do it differently. We could have it that there's, if you like hit escape, it automatically opens up that, and then if you click on one of the tabs, it opens up like the pause menu.
I think if you,
no, I
think the first menu that should pop up if you do something like that should be the pause menu, and this should be a bonus menu. I think the way Gungeon has it is you can press escape and then go to it from there, or you can hit I and it will bring it up directly.
Wait a second. What if the map menu is part of the book?
What?
So you could, the map menu?
The map
menu. You know the map that we have that pops up?
Yeah.
We could have the map be like in the book. So if you press tab, it like opens up to the map tab in the book, and then if you press like I, it opens up to the deck tab.
I don't like that. The map is a quick glance. Like, at least for me, whenever I look at the map in Gungeon, it's not usually like...
I guess.
I want to look at it for a lot of information. It's usually I want to do something. Like, I want to be walking in a direction and make sure I'm going the right way.
Yeah, I guess.
Whereas having to be part of this...
Cool,
I mean, it probably would be cool, but it's... I think it like
Yeah.
breaks some of the usability of it.
Yeah. Because now that I am thinking about it, thinking of like Void Echo, that was one thing I didn't like about it, is the map is almost too complicated. It's not even complicated, it's just like too fancy.
In what game?
The Void Echo.
Hmm.
Because you like teleport to like the big, like it's still very simple. It just, even that almost felt too complicated for me.
Kinda.
Like too fancy.
Also,
not like over.
You were told Tempura never speak again other than 6-7.
Never speak again other than 6-7.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of fire.
6-7, 6-7. Are you happy now?
Excuse me, 6-7, 6-7. Here. Dot deck. Dot. We'll grab this out into a variable first.
Why am I hungry already? I just ate.
And then how am I displaying these again? I don't remember. You're going into this HSlow container, so I will just have a thing that is a add export bar. Oh wait, nope, I lied. Card container. Which one's the? How do I drag this in? Is it control? Nope, it's alt. It's alt. Fire. And now it assigned the variable. So first thing is I would like card container dot. I don't know why I'm calling clear children. That's not a function that exists. Card container dot get children. Child dot be free. And then I want to create a. I believe it's the description card. I'm fairly certain that's the one. Although I can double check in a second. Let's find out if this crashes. There's like a chance. There's a pretty high chance that this just crashes, which would be kind of cool. Okay. It didn't crash, however. That's definitely incorrect. Because they're all hidden. And I believe that's because I need to set their discovered flag to true. Which is a little gross. And something I wish I didn't have to do. Well, I don't have to, but... Oh. Do you require me to add a visual? I see. Why are you pissed? Oh, yeah, I guess that makes sense. This is a fucking built-in variable as well? Are you kidding me? What? Huh? Okay, dude.
Oh, wait, why does it look caustic?
6, 7, 6, 7. Sorry. If discovered, if not visual, visual, passing in instance, card instance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There we go. Fuck, it's called my apartment. Yay! I don't know why they're all beehives. Their registration is also off. I can't hover over them correctly. That's weird. Why are we
funny here? I think that's actually not too insane. Oh, I just realized I think I did break it though because they're top level, I can't use parent material, which means they won't flash.
I mean, you can just have them like set their material to the same as their parents.
Yeah.
Why is this not? What? Huh? What? What?
That does look kind of sick though.
Am I like stupid? The answer may surprise you.
Why is this animation not playing all of a sudden?
Huh? What? What? Do you mean?
What?
What? Was ist das? What? I don't understand.
Why is it not playing the animation? That's what I'm wondering.
Oh. I see what I'm doing wrong.
What?
I had a getter that was being stupid. I was getting a little stupid with it. I opened up the wrong thing. I'm getting hella stupid with it, actually. Oh, there we go.
So it is animating, it's just not...
Nice.
What?
Why are...
Oh, wait a second. I'm thinking.
Something's
You're
wrong.
not top level, are you? You're not. You should animate still. I'm thinking. If you're playing, I take you. I move you around. Yeah, you still animate. So there's an animation here that's supposed to be playing that makes this move up and down, but in here it's like not appearing to be playing, which I would think would be because, but I'm not
your render
setting
scale.
the turn up my render scale.
Yeah.
It's already high.
Oh, it's already high? What the fuck?
Yeah.
Zoom in the camera. I thought I saw it moving somewhat, but...
Yeah, I think it is. I don't know what it's doing. Also, what's with the... Why is there...
Oh, yeah, it's
zoom,
like
I
fucked up a little bit.
then,
Oopsies.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the camera might be... you have to go back in there and hit the debug camera button one time, and then that's it. Then you... No.
Oh, okay.
One time. You hit it way more than one time. Yeah, it is like animated really slightly.
But like barely at all.
What's the animation doing?
This is what it's supposed to look like, which is what it looks like in the engine. And I looked at the remote. It does say that it's playing this animation, and it does show the position as moving up and down. It's just like
which
not
ones
updating.
are set to top level? Like which sprites?
Oh wait! I know why it's not working. Hold up. Okay. Never mind. I got it.
He's got it.
Nope. I figured it out.
You got it. He's editing
You
the
helped though, probably.
sound.
No, I'm not.
Why are these so large? Why are you not? Holy shit, RuneScape time. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go.
RuneScape. Wait, what song is playing for you right now? No, I'm not.
Newbie Melody.
I just heard music. I heard music that sounded vaguely like it could be RuneScape music, but I don't think it is. I don't know what this is.
What's it called?
This might be like some... I think it's Final Fantasy something, maybe.
Unfortunate.
Yeah. Let me look. Kingdom Hearts, sorry. Same thing. Who cares?
Yeah, very, very much the same thing, yeah. Exactly the same
It
thing.
literally is the same thing.
Oh. Is that...
Okay,
What in the fuck are you doing?
There we go, that's why. Now it should work. It's because I was setting the target position of the like hit knockback thing. Like its reset position was the center global position instead of the animated up and down position.
Right? What? The hover on that seems a little wrong, which is really weird. I also don't know why they're drawing so bizarrely. I wonder what that is. Well, no.
Wait, I'm making this faster or slower? Oh, there we go. I was actually making it slower. Let's see how this looks on very small scale. Not that low. Let's try low. Whoa, look at that. Wait, why does this look kind of sick? Why does everything look so sick at like tiny scale?
I'm telling you, dude. Tiny scale's the way to go. She looks fire. He's like rethinking his entire project now. He's like, fuck, man, do we have to make everything in tiny scale?
But so how this works is you can hit it as much as you want, but it only drops souls every period of time. Like there's a limit to how fast it can drop them.
Oh,
so you don't get any like positive for hitting it really, really fast. So it doesn't. Basically, I don't want to make it better, like reward you for just like shooting it with more powerful things, because I want you to be able to smack it with whatever and always get the same amount.
I see. So is it going to have like a limit on how much you can get per crystal?
Yeah. It'll break eventually. It's just really high right now. I really love how this looks. because I made it that originally it was just a set amount that it could move back, but now it just moves back however much you hit it. So if I like gave myself some zoomies and infinite ammo. Oh, I broke it.
So I think...
Not the game, I like physically broke the thing that I was trying to do.
I see. I think I have an issue with this. If I turn on clip contents, maybe not. Well, no, this is weird. The sound isn't playing all the time. Do our other card menus have... do these ones also have children enabled? They don't. Oh wait, it'd be up here. You don't.
Are you saying there's a problem with the sound?
Wait, no, hold on. No, don't worry about it. I'm like speaking to myself.
Okay, there is something weird with the sticker slots. Hello, Jim the Dandy. Thank you for the follow.
Oh, that's
if you hover over the sticker
man.
slots.
Hello, shit pants, man.
You hover over the slots, it makes the noise, but it doesn't hover the card.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
And then also, if you do this, it doesn't play the sound. But if I do this, it does play the sound. You probably can't see the thing I'm doing, but
no, I get what you're saying. Yeah, because the hover sound is played whenever you hover over the UI element, but the actual like hovering of the card only happens if you're hovering the card because of like,
which we can do by just
kind of
have it play the sound when you hover the card.
Yeah, there's some weird stuff here though. I think there's something blocking my cursor.
There's a little bit of weird stuff.
I wonder what that is. Is it the card below it? Oh, I think it is. I think it is. If I add like I need to add more cards. I can't do that. That's fine though. I know kind of what's happening there. I think it's because there is something blocking it. Which is this motherfucker, I think. Perhaps. Or one of these motherfuckers, I think. Something's in the way. And that's all that matters. So I'm gonna put this on my other screen really quickly as I try to figure out what is getting in the way. It's the sub viewport container. Oh, I didn't realize you could get mouse input, but I guess that makes enough sense. You are a display card, perhaps? Is that what you're called? Oh, because this was changed, kind of. I remember this. If I change the mouse mode to... Oh, it's set to pass propagate up. That's sick. What if you were set to ignore? Nope. Okay, what am I clicking on? Tell me, Godot. What did I just click on like 8 times? It is the sub viewport container. Let's just restart this and see what happens. No, I ran the wrong scene. Okay, that looks way more correct. That looks like it's not blocking the other card at all. Oh. Oh, that like fixes it. That's funny.
Oh?
Yeah, that like fixes it. I mean, minus that like weird shit that just happened there, but like... Cool. Okay, it's just the sub viewport was doing stupid shit and was in the way.
Cool.
Yeah. Do we want to display the sticker slots on this menu?
Yes.
Okay, because that's not in the design.
Yeah, that's because I forgot they existed.
How do we want them to be like the same way here?
Yeah, just move them down so they're spread out.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. What if we played Deadlock? Just kidding. What if I played Mutagenics? I play Mutagenics so bad.
That's crazy.
It's such a good game. Why am I clicking this button as if this is a button and not a texture that I haven't done anything with yet?
If you do are getting tired, you can wrap up maybe around 9.
I'm getting a little bit delirious at this point.
I mean, if you like
we'll
click
see.
now, then that's fine. But I want to add some gibbs here to make this look nice. But once I'm done here, that's probably yeah. Yeah, twin.
What?
Yeah.
Huh?
You heard me, twin.
I didn't. That's why I'm asking what? Huh? What?
You heard what I said.
Oh, okay.
Twin.
You might be
Yeah.
wrong, but okay. That's alright. What? What? Oh, no, never mind. I know the what. I know what the what is about. Not crazy you haven't played Cave Story.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy, isn't it, twin?
Kind of evil, yeah.
It's so crazy, yeah.
Oh, that's funny. That's really weird. JW, can you look at my screen?
What did you do?
So I was like mocking this up to make this like work, which this looks fine, right? Check this out.
Mm-hmm. Very nice, twin.
That's so weird. That feels so weird that they both have shadows and this one's shadow control. That's weird. Okay, what's this? Oh, this design. Oh, no. What the hell are we doing here? Why are you like oddly spaced here? What's the spacing on this? Is this like a...
It's just like inset by a certain number of pixels. Basically what I did is I took the original size there and shrunk it.
And the amount of pixels is...
That does not have to be specific, don't...
1, 2,
So here,
3,
can you zoom out?
4, 12 pixels or some shit? What the fuck? Yeah, okay.
This is probably going to be easier if you just... so both of the top two ones are kind of inset. So it'd be like a margin container inside that top section.
These are lined up, though.
Okay, well...
These are lined up.
It doesn't have to be
but this
perfect.
isn't
Like...
lined up. But this
Yes, because that
is
section
lined
I
up.
didn't like. Yes, that should be lined up.
Is this lined up? Yeah, this
Yes.
is lined up.
So that
Mhm.
does not have to be exact. So do
Mhm.
not try to like pixel perfect everything. Just make it
Mm.
look nice. I'm trying to make it easier for
Yeah,
you.
okay, man.
Okay.
That's fine. It's fine. It's whatever, dog.
You're like,
Yeah, it's okay, dog. Whatever, man.
man.
Whatever, dude. It's okay. I don't really care that much. It's fine. It's chill. Barking with JW is never a boring day.
Yeah, that's true.
That's sometimes true. Excuse me. Let's say this thing, you no longer have your texture over here. This is going to say Mrrp Meow, :3. And then inside of this, we're going to have, this is the VBox container for the title area. This is the control for the body of the page, which instead of a panel container would be yet another VBox container. Just kidding. It is probably going to be an HBox container yet again right here. And oh fuck, I do have another scroll thing here, don't I? Unfortunate.
Tim and Paula's coming to Baltimore, by the way.
Who the fuck is Steve Jobs?
Yeah, that's what I was wondering too.
You know Tame Impala is just one dude.
I did actually.
It's crazy. What would this be? This one would not be a VBox container. It would just be this. The thing that says like stats here. This would likely be one big container of like what VBox container. Here with a label in it. Set to fill shrink end? No. Just fill, I guess. And then alongside that, there would be a panel container. Put up here. And no, sorry, a margin container, I guess. With a panel container inside of it. To fully grow. Yep. And you will also be set to expand. And you will have a card inside of you. Which I believe I have copied. I don't. Give me a single card. Up. And panel container. Can I make you align center? I can. Is this that fuck-ass color that's not in the palette? Dude. He's always putting this shit somewhere. Wait, these are different colors. JW. This panel is a different color than this panel.
Yes.
Is that intentional?
Yes. You can adjust the colors if you want to mess with it. I just found that the lighter looked nice. If I would change it, I would change the one on the left to be the lighter color as well, but I wasn't exactly sure. I was kind of messing around. It doesn't have to be exact. So that's something that you can mess with, and I won't yell at you, and I won't be like, "Grr,
oh, okay. So I can make this panel a purple color then, probably?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, and I can make the text
Wait, what?
like a red. Yeah, dude.
No, you can't. No, don't do that.
You said I can. What the hell, dude?
What the hell-y?
6-7.
6-7, 6-7.
What the fuck was...
When are we getting 6-7 to Dante's 9?
Every dev stream. Now I was watching Northern Lion play Mugenics earlier, and the boss had 67 health off rip, and Northern Lion went, dude, 6-7, and he did the fucking hand sign, like the hand motions and shit. And I was like, dog, you're pushing like, I think he's hitting like 54 this year. I think, like,
yeah,
dog, can't be doing all that. Why isn't this the font we're using in game?
Because
me.
We don't have a font that's big. That's that big. Here, Biddy. I'm gonna pause my music. Can you rate my sound effects? Aren't great, but the juice on this.
I guess. Let me
see
mute my music, and then I'll put you on stream, and then I'll. Here's your stream, and here is the audio. Okay. All right, we're listening. Everyone's listening now, champ. You got this.
Okay.
It's so delayed, by the way, like on my end. Like from you hitting on your stream. That's so funny.
Well, I don't know why it's so bad.
I'm sure.
I need to work on
the juice is pretty cool.
But effect, yeah.
You know, the
it's also very cool if you have like an SMG.
Mm-hmm.
It'll like
whoa.
It'll go like way back. Yeah, it's very fun.
That's sick fun.
The sounds need some work, and the explosion needs some work, but overall the juice is fun.
Yeah, no. I mean, it sounds pretty good. It's just it's hard to judge how it feels in the moment because it's so offset from you hitting it.
I don't know why it does that.
Because you got terrible internet or something.
Yeah, probably that one.
Is this the same color? Is this the right color? This doesn't feel like the right color. Is it because the grid is on? It's because the grid is on, yeah. Charges damage, and damage. It was hard.
Yeah, it's just like because yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
When the you know the thing, yeah, when the
mm-hmm.
Okay.
Ah, shit, this needs to be a different thing. This needs to be an H box container. Well, kind of. Yes. Get out there. I needed 2 rich text labels. One of them.
Whoa, rich text labels.
Start, and one of them will go to the end. And this one will make 5, and this one will make state charges, and this one will be a smaller H separator because I don't know. Apparently, that's what it needs to be. Can I put padding on this, or do I need to... Can I do padding on this, actually? I'm thinking maybe a no. Although... Hmm. I could like margin these, I guess. I don't want to, but I will. I kind of wish more controls in Godot had a margin property. That would be really nice.
But yeah, did you see GodotCon Boston is confirmed to exist?
Yeah, I just really hope that it's like, if they're going to announce it, I really hope they don't announce it like a few weeks before it happens.
Yeah, they're not gonna do that.
Surely they're not. I don't know, because it doesn't make sense. Like, they...
What do you mean?
Well, because
it's not going to be at the same time as PAX. That I can tell you that much.
Well, that is fucking stupid.
There is zero chance.
That's stupid.
That they're going to do it in like barely over a month.
I know. They're probably not going to.
Get, like,
but they should have. Like I don't know. I feel like that's the time that they should have been aiming for, because there's so much going on that week that people are going to be up there. Because
I feel like they said that they didn't want to do that because there's because of how many other things there are going on, that like trying to fit it in was hard. I don't remember.
I mean, maybe.
But I had heard some people. Maybe you'll. I don't remember, but I thought I had heard some people saying that they had issues like finding a venue and like things like that because of PAX.
Yeah. Dude, look at this. Dude, it's the UI that you designed almost.
Whoa, look, it's the UI. Almost.
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 Very close. The only thing that's missing, which actually this might be something worth asking about. So this looks all great because of the white space that would normally be here is taken up by the scroll bar.
Mm-hmm.
However, now there's like that extra space. Are we fine with that?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
I mean, if you wanted to squeeze things over just a little bit, I mean, I did try to design it in such a way that, yeah, it wouldn't look...
I don't.
Okay.
I don't want to do that because the way that I had to get this to set up is a bitch, and I don't want to do that.
Yeah, okay.
Because you can see that the rounded corner here is like a texture that doesn't scroll with the scroll container.
Mm-hmm.
So I'd have to tell that to scooch over, and I'd have to tell these guys to also scooch over because they don't... It's not all controlled by the same layout, unfortunately, as much as I would love it to be.
Mm-hmm.
Some of these things are...
That looks very cool.
Yeah, well, that one's not supposed to happen because this is supposed to just be set to full rack the entire time. But
yeah,
there's a couple of things in here that are not... They're not bad. It's just that they're a little weird. Yeah. But I think it's fine, mainly because it
looks fine.
It's like easy enough to change and edit, and so I'm happy with that. And I might call it here, I'll be honest. I'm kind of...
Yeah, I think it's fine.
I didn't have caffeine today, so I'm tired as a motherfucker. And I want to play Mugenics as well.
Crazy.
Yeah. So, but I'm happy. I got this at least. I mean, it doesn't work entirely. If I run this, it's gonna... There's gonna be a card over here. Or there's gonna be 6 cards over here. That don't do anything.
6 or 7.
They don't actually like affect this over here, but... I mean, this part shouldn't be like particularly difficult to add. You just select a card and you tell this, hey, fill out the stats of this card.
Yeah. Oh yeah, another dumb thing I was thinking of instead of the card on the right is making some way that we get like a preview of what the card does. Like some kind of like embedded gameplay thing.
Video.
It wouldn't be like a video.
It would be a video.
No, it would be like a video.
Unless we want to spawn in Dante and this card and...
Yeah, I mean, I was thinking we could do something like that, have it like render it in real time, but I guess it could just make a video.
If we're doing that and it's gonna be the same scene, I'd rather it just be a video at that point.
Yeah. But like the thing is, like, if we end up changing anything, then you have to change the video. Or what we could do is have like a script that auto generates videos for every single card when you first start the game.
Oh, when you first start the game, I was thinking this would be like a thing that we run on export so that it gets embedded in the
guess
build
on export
thing.
it would make sense.
But...
Yeah, never mind. That would make a lot more sense.
Yeah, sorry guys. Why is Dante's 9 running like shit? What the fuck? Why did it spool up an OBS background renderer? What the hell?
But I guess we probably would want it to render real time, so that way we'd show like stickers and stuff.
What are you talking about? The video? The preview?
Yes,
of like what the card
preview.
does?
Yeah.
No, the fuck we don't. We don't want to show what it does with the
Yeah, we
current
do.
stickers on it.
Yeah, we do.
No, we don't.
I do.
Okay, well then if you can code that in a way that it works and doesn't run like shit and isn't cock and ball torture to work with, then
okay,
you can do that.
I'll do that.
Because I'm not doing that.
How
I
do
ain't
I do
coding that
this?
shit. That sounds terrible. No. Anyways, I'm gonna call this.
Or we just have like a little embedded like play window where it just spawns Dante and you can just run around in like a little box.
Oh my god, Rivals 2 controller
And
testing.
test out the card, literally.
Yeah, but I'm calling the
Honestly,
stream
that
here.
could be
I'm
pretty
going.
cooler, but yeah, okay. Yeah,
I'm
me too.
tired.
Good night, everybody. We'll be back on Sunday at some point. I don't know.
2:30.
I might
EST?
stream in the morning. No,
Oh.
do I want to stream in the morning? Not tomorrow. Maybe Saturday
You
morning. I
streaming
will,
in the
because I don't work on
morning?
Saturday.
Ugh.
I don't know. I might.
All right. Well.
Anyways, good night, everyone.